Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to share a nutritious snack using 6 powerful seeds which are highly beneficial for your hair, skin and overall health. You should include in your daily diet. It has numerous health benefits. Now let's get started. These are the seeds and some of their benefits. To a pan, add a teaspoon of ghee. Once the ghee melts, add watermelon and pumpkin seeds. Fry this for about a minute. Keep the flame on low throughout the process. Keep frying the seeds constantly. These seeds are 90% roasted. Now let's add sunflower and melon seeds. Keep frying it for 30 to 40 seconds. Due to the presence of dietary fiber, they help in weight loss and improve your gut health. Next goes in flax seeds and sesame seeds. They are tiny, so roast it for 30 seconds. Mix all the seeds and fry it for 1 more minute. Adding seeds to your regular diet can help to reduce blood sugar, cholesterol and blood pressure. A handful of healthy seeds will provide several health benefits. They are roasted well. Add 2 pinches of salt and give a nice mix. I just want to keep it plain. If you want, you can add chili powder or chaat masala powder. This is done. Turn off the flame. Let it cool down completely. Always make small batches that will stay fresh for a week. Store it in an airtight container, so whenever you feel like munching something, have a handful of this. Try this simple nutritious snack and enjoy your health. Do share this video with your family and friends. If you like this video, consider subscribing, like, share and comment. For more such videos, click on the left to check out my previous video and on the right my other recipes. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.